afternoon, everyone. And yesterday we have discussed about plant growth and development. And we all know that plants grow and development by photosynthesis and also by absorbing mineral nutrients. And how these plants grow and develop means because of the photosynthesis process, by absorbing sunlight and also by absorbing mineral nutrients from the soil with the help of their root system or underground root system. And so for the plants or for the growth and development of the plants, the mineral nutrients are required. Now let us see the outline of the mineral nutrients that are required by the plants. Okay. 18/9/2020. Here, mineral nutrients what are mineral means here the essential elements that are required for the plant's growth and development are all these mineral nutrients. And here mineral nutrients are of two types. Basically, for the plant's growth and development, there are two kinds of mineral nutrients. What are they? Means essential minerals or non-essential mineral nutrients. First one, essential and non-essential. Essential minerals are essential mineral nutrients and non-essential mineral nutrients. Non-essential. Essential minerals are essential mineral nutrients and non-essential mineral nutrients. Here, mineral nutrients that are required by the plant's growth and development are categorized mainly into two types: essential mineral nutrients and non-essential mineral nutrients. Here, essential mineral nutrients means here the mineral nutrients that are absorbed by the plant body from outside of their body are called essential mineral nutrients. Here, the nutrients are the mineral nutrients that are from outside of their body of plants. Here, the mineral nutrients that are absorbed from the outside of their body means the mineral nutrients that are absorbed from the soil, the mineral nutrients that are absorbed from the atmosphere, and those mineral nutrients are required mineral nutrients, are essential mineral nutrients for the plants. And what about these non-essential mineral nutrients? And the mineral nutrients that are synthesized inside the body of plants. The mineral nutrients that are synthesized inside their body are called non-essential mineral nutrients. Mineral nutrients that are absorbed from the outside of their body or from outside, they are called as essential mineral nutrients. And the mineral nutrients which are developed inside or in their body itself, they are developed in their body itself, and those mineral nutrients that are called as non-essential mineral nutrients. nutrients. Here, both essential and non-essential mineral nutrients are required for the growth and development, but some are absorbed from outside and some are developed inside their body. And these are absorbed outside, these are called essential mineral nutrients, which are developed inside their body. They are called as non-essential mineral nutrients. Essential mineral nutrients and non-essential mineral nutrients. Here, coming to the essential mineral nutrients, here the essential mineral nutrients, most probably these essential mineral nutrients are categorized into two kinds. And what are they means? Macronutrients and micronutrients. Macronutrients and micronutrients. Macronutrients and micronutrients. Let us see first macronutrients. Macronutrients means here the mineral nutrients that are absorbed in higher amounts are called as macronutrients. Means some of the mineral nutrients or some of the minerals or some of the nutrients are required by the plants in higher amounts, and the mineral nutrients that are required in higher amounts, those mineral nutrients are called as macronutrients. Macro are the mineral nutrients that are absorbed in bulk amounts. The mineral nutrients that are required bulk amount or higher amount by the plant or for the plant are called as macronutrients, or the mineral nutrients that are required in higher amounts. And for the plant growth and development, some of the mineral nutrients are required in high amounts. Much more amounts are required for the growth and development of the plants. Some mineral nutrients are there, and those mineral nutrients are called as macronutrients. Let us see examples of these macronutrients. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, phosphorus, and potassium, etc. And these are the examples of the macronutrients. Means the carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and these are all required in higher amounts, and hence these are called as macronutrients. And next, micronutrients. Next, micronutrients, and opposite to the macronutrients. Micronutrients means the mineral nutrients that are required in lower amounts or traces amounts, and those are called as micronutrients. Why we are discussing about these macro and micronutrients means these are all required for the plant's growth and development. We have discussed previously about plant growth and development, and so for the plant growth and development these mineral nutrients are required. And so the mineral nutrients are basically two types: essential mineral nutrients and non-essential mineral nutrients. Essential mineral nutrients are absorbed from the outside of their body of the plants, and non-essential are developed inside their body. And the next, essential mineral nutrients are two types. What are they means? So macronutrients and micronutrients. Macronutrients are required in higher amounts for the plant growth and development, and micronutrients are required in lower amounts for the plant growth and development. Now let us see micronutrients and their examples. Here micronutrients, the plants require some nutrients and lower amounts are in traces amounts. In traces amounts or lower amounts. And which are some of the mineral nutrients are required by the plants in low amounts and less amounts, and those mineral nutrients are called as micronutrients. And let us see the examples of micronutrients. And iron, copper, manganese, molybdenum, etc. And these are some of the examples of micronutrients. These are required in lower amounts for the plant's growth and development. This is about the micronutrients and macronutrients. And what in your syllabus we'll discuss briefly about what are the functions of these iron or these micronutrients and those macronutrients. Let us see each and the functions of each and every nutrients in the plant growth and development in detail in our syllabus. And one more thing, do the plants really require these mineral nutrients? To prove that, scientists have done one of the technique that is called as hydroponics, and they have grown some plants in the soil and they have developed very easily, and some of the plants are grown only in water without having any mineral nutrients. But the plant not only requiring water, it requires more number of mineral nutrients, and the plants are not able to grow properly. And so they said that the mineral nutrients are required for the plant growth and development, and they have found a technique that is called hydroponics. Hydroponics, very very important. One more question for your syllabus. Hydroponics. Hydroponics or hydroponics. Hydroponics is the technique of growing plants in mineral nutrients, or it is the technique of growing plants in mineral solution. Means you are taking one tub of water, and mixing the all required amount of mineral nutrients in this tub of water and growing the plant, and this can grow easily. And that means here why the plants are growing in soil means the soil is the source of mineral nutrients. Yes, the soil is the source of mineral nutrients, hence the plants is to grow in the soil. And this is a technique we have to remember. Hydroponics is the technique of growing plants in a mineral solution. And this is the outline of mineral nutrients. Means plants require mineral nutrients for their growth and development, and essential are there, non-essential are there, and essential mineral nutrients, macro and micronutrients are there, and the macro and micro examples we have seen, and the macronutrients required in higher amounts, micronutrients in lower amounts, and a technique that is used to grow plants in nutrient solution is called as hydroponics. The technique. Now, up to here we have completed the plant growth and development and the mineral nutrients that are required for the plant growth and development. Only outline we are discussing, and next topic we have to move is very important and very some of the are very tough topic we have to move on. It is called biomolecules. Let's see the biomolecules. After discussing these biomolecules, and the bridge course of your botany is to be completed. And after completion of these biomolecules, most probably by tomorrow we'll complete the bridge course, and by Monday onwards I will try to start your syllabus online only, and after coming to the college only again we'll repeat the syllabus, because I am going to complete this bridge course by tomorrow. Only botany I am going to teach you. Okay, so by tomorrow I will complete the portion of this botany, means the bridge course in the botany, and by Monday online only I will start a lesson. And if you have any doubts or after coming to the college, after your regular classes started, then we'll repeat once again the regular classes are from first lesson only. Now let's see the outline of this biomolecules. Somewhat typical. Here, biomolecules means the substances which are developed in living system are called biomolecules, or the molecules which are developed in each and every living system are called biomolecules. Here, the living system is mainly run by one thing that is called metabolism. One thing that is called metabolism, or here, see the concept of metabolism. Here, biomolecules means the substances or the molecules that are developed or that are present inside each and every living organism. Here, each and every living organism, for example, a man or for example, an animal is full of biomolecules. A body is constructed with biomolecules. Means here, a living tissue is consisting of biomolecules. Means the molecules that are present in each and every living system that is called or that are called biomolecules. Here, biomolecules means here let us see how these biomolecules are developed, because of the metabolic activities done by the living organism, or metabolism done by the living organism. Concept of metabolism. Concept of metabolism. Now let us see what is this metabolism. All biochemical reactions that occur inside the body of a living system or a living organism, all the biochemical reactions that occur inside a living organism or a living system, and that is called metabolism or metabolic activity. And each and every living organism shows metabolic activity. Here, metabolism is a combination of anabolism and catabolism. Here, metabolism is a combination of anabolism and catabolism. Anabolism and catabolism together called metabolism. Anabolism and catabolism together called metabolism. Here, metabolism or metabolic activities means all the biochemical reactions. What are the chemical reactions that occur inside the body of a living organism, and Those biochemical reactions are combinedly or totally called as metabolism or metabolic reactions or metabolic activities. Here, each and every living organism shows metabolic activity. Metabolic activities means anabolic activities and catabolic activities. Anabolic reactions and catabolic reactions we have already discussed previously when we are discussing about the definition of life. Life is defined as a combination of anabolism and metabolism, or anabolism and catabolism. Here, in this anabolism, we have already discussed about the anabolism. Means constructing a complex molecule with the help of simpler molecules. Means here anabolism means it is a construction reactions. Anabolic reaction means construction reactions means simpler substances combined to form a complex substance. Simpler substances are combined to form a complex substance. What is the example of this anabolism? Is photosynthesis. And protein synthesis. Photosynthesis and protein synthesis. Means here photosynthesis means by the combination of carbon dioxide and water with the help of sunlight, there is a construction of a carbohydrate or glucose molecule occurs. Means constructing a glucose molecule means carbon dioxide and water, simpler substances combined to form with the help of sunlight a complex substance. Means here carbon dioxide and water, these are combined to form, these simpler substances are combined to form a starch or glucose molecule. Simpler substances are combined to form a complex substance, constructing a complex substance, that is called anabolism or anabolic reactions. Now, catabolism. This catabolism here, complex substances are broken down to form simpler substances. Broken down to form simpler substances. Complex substances are broken down to form a simpler substances, that is called catabolism or catabolic reaction. What are the examples of catabolism? Digestion, and respiration. Digestion means when we consume the food material and that food material is broken down to release the energy. Whereas this respiration also, the breaking of this glucose molecule or carbohydrates to release the energy, and that is called as catabolism or catabolic reactions. Called catabolism and catabolic reactions. And mainly the biomolecules are mainly divided into two types. Same as mineral nutrition, there are macrobiomolecules and microbiomolecules. Or microbiomolecules, here Concept of metabolism. Metabolism is the combination of anabolism and catabolism. And anabolism means constructing reactions. Catabolism means destructing reaction. Here breaking reaction occurs in catabolism, and the construction reaction occurs in the anabolism. Simpler substances combine to form complex substance, and complex substance broken down to form simpler substances, that is called catabolism. Now, here biomolecules are categorized into microbiomolecules and macrobiomolecules. Microbiomolecules means smaller biomolecules, and macro means larger biomolecules. Microbiomolecules means smaller, and macrobiomolecules. Microbiomolecules and macrobiomolecules. And these microbiomolecules include fatty acids, and amino acids, and nucleotides, and monosaccharides. These are micronutrients. And coming to the macronutrients, carbohydrates, and lipids, proteins, carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and nucleic acids. And nucleic acids, these are the examples of macronutrients, macrobiomolecules, and microbiomolecules. Here, biomolecules are categorized into microbiomolecules and macrobiomolecules. And microbiomolecules, example, monosaccharides, fatty acids, amino acids, and nucleotides. And macrobiomolecules, carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and nucleic acid. Here, all the micromolecules are constructed to form macrobiomolecules. Here monosaccharides are constructed to form a carbohydrate, and amino acids are constructed to form proteins, and fatty acids constructed to form here combination of, for example, a fatty acid plus fatty acid etc. combined to form it is a lipid. The combination of fatty acids form a lipid. Combination of fatty acids forms a lipid. Thus, combination of fatty acids forms a lipid, and combination of amino acid, for example, amino acid, and these are all number of amino acids together form a protein. And nucleotide plus nucleotide, the chain of nucleotides form a nucleic acid. Don't be confused about nucleic acid. Nucleic acids are nothing but DNA and RNA. DNA and RNA are also called as nucleic acids. Why? Because they are acidic in nature and they are present in the nucleus. Hence, these are DNA and RNA. Nucleic acids nothing but DNA and RNA. And these are called nucleic acids. Why these are called nucleic acids? Means they are acidic in form and they are present in the nucleus of the cell. And monosaccharides are constructed to form a carbohydrate or a polysaccharide. This is about the microbiomolecules and macrobiomolecules. And that's it for today. And tomorrow we'll continue about these biomolecules, and by tomorrow we'll complete these biomolecules or outline of the biomolecules. And most probably from Monday I'll start your syllabus. Why? Because I have completed my botany portion in bridge course, and I'm not going to struggle to deal with that zoology. And that's it for today. Thank you.